Let me ask you something. How long have you been scrolling on TikTok, watching videos about making money online, and still nothing has changed? You save links, watch tutorials, maybe even try once or twice, but deep down, you already won't expect it to work. You say maybe next year, maybe next month. But here's the truth. If you don't change what you are doing right now, 5 years from now, you will be still here, broke, tired, wondering how others made it. That is not an insult. That is your wake up call. Because I have been there too. I know what it feels like to watch people on YouTube making dollars while you are still struggling with 20 bob. It is not that you are lazy. It is that no one ever showed you the path clearly. My name is AdanDiba, and for a long time, I was just a curious Kenyan, just wanting to know more, scrolling my phone, searching how to make money online. I tried everything: writing, trading, apps, freelancing. Some worked, most failed. But I realized something powerful. The problem wasn't the internet, the problem was me. I wanted fast results. Just fast results without real learning. I wanted money without patience. And that is exactly what keeps 99% people of here in Kenya broke. But one day, I asked myself, what if I stop chasing shortcuts and start learning skills? Skills that will pay forever. That is when everything changed. That is why I started this channel, to test every real way to earn online and bring you the truth step by step. Let's be honest, you have made excuses. I don't have laptop, I don't have time, maybe it is only for people in US. But every time you say that, someone else with less than you is building something online. The truth is, your excuses are killing your potential faster than your poverty will ever will. You don't need perfect equipment. You need just a commitment. You don't need to be smart. You need discipline. You don't need luck. What you need is consistency. Because no one is coming to save you. Not a government, not your friend, not your family members, not your boss. The world does not owe you anything. But the internet gives you everything. If you are willing to work, there is a shift happening right now. Every day, new millionaires are being born here online, not in offices, but in bedrooms, in cafes, in cyber cafes. You are watching others make money from the same phone you are holding right now. So ask yourself, why not you? The difference between them and you is not intelligence, it is action. This is your time. Africa should wake up. The world is watching, but most of us who are still sleeping, distracted by TikTok, Netflix, and comfort zones that are secretly killing your dreams. If you don't take action this year, you will watch others build the life that was supposed to be yours. So, here is what we are going to do. I will be your experimenter. I will test every real methods that are here online. Freelancing, CPA marketing, content creation, affiliate marketing, digital skills that actually pay. I will show you what works in Kenya and Africa, and you will learn, you will apply, and you will grow with me. This is not motivation, it is a direction. Every week you will see a new method, real results, and a full breakdowns. No fake screenshots, no scams, just truth. You follow along, take notes, apply what I say, and by the end of this year, you will look back and say, that was the moment everything started to change. So now you have two options. Option 1, close this video, scroll, and keep living the same life. Option 2, stay, learn, and start your transformation today. Because no one becomes successful by luck. They become successful by deciding that enough is enough. Subscribe now, turn on notification, and in the next video, I will show you the first real online income method that works, starting from zero, just like you. This is your chance to change everything. Don't waste it. This is AdanDiba, and this is where Africa's digital freedom begins.